Hey, welcome back to Two Super Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Vinny, and today we're going to talk about the technical analysis of whether or not it's the right time for me to buy back my Alibaba shares that I sold like a moron, way under market value at the goddamn covered calls. We did a separate video about that. It's such as life. Don't like I joke about it, but don't think I'm actually bitter because like a couple people thought I was like actually like angry about it. It is what it is, man. I'm just doing my best out here. I'm not that worried about it. But Dylan's going to look at the chart and kind of tell me what he thinks.
He lied. He's been crying for days.
Two Stupid Guys Trade Stocks.
So, yep, there it is. Officially, this is the mess that my covered calls left me with. It's all good, guys. Like I said, I'm really not mad about it. It's just kind of funny how life gives you lemons sometimes, right? So I sold my Intel, my Meta, my Warner Brothers Discovery, and my Alibaba. Unfortunately, that's a
Hey,
stock I've been a little near and dear to my heart. But we're gonna look at the chart real quick because Dylan's trying to tell me to be a little more patient. Maybe I'll get it back somewhere closer to the stupid price I sold it for because of my covered call mistake.
yeah. So your price was 95. That's important.
Mhm.
Also, you sold Intel. It's probably a good call because God, that stock sucks. Just the
I'm only mad about two of these,
they're
Alibaba and Meta. But
trash.
that's not
Man,
the...
I can't wait for you as soon as like if we hit a really bare low and then you buy AMD, that's gonna be the day. Man, I'm gonna replay all those videos.
Hey, it might happen. You never know.
All right, here is Baba. All right, we are on a stupid tear, and we released a video earlier, kind of talking about all the good catalysts of Baba and how I think this is kind of a year for Baba. I think ending at like 160 to 180 is not out of question for the year, to be honest with you. Um, this is a big line of resistance, this 124, 125-ish area. We've not been above there for more than 7 months, 6 months. Um, this is not a sustainable rise, especially
Yeah.
like in the last, what, 2 weeks? 90 to 120? Like, that's disgusting.
It
Okay?
was over 100% in the last like 2 months, something like
Yeah.
ridiculous like that.
That's not sustainable at all. Um, this line right here is there. That was for me to buy a bunch more, and it didn't hit. I just want to put that out
It
there.
looks like I almost wicked off of it for you though.
Yeah. Well, I had a buy order here. So should Vinny buy in now? That's the question, right? He's super sad. He cries 8 hours a day. He's like, ah, gosh, what do I do with all this Baba cash that's now cash? Now, I'm a huge Baba guy. So is Vinny. I think that they're going to be very, very huge. Um, I would not buy in them right now. And I'm saying that with my buy average being like 121, right?
Yeah.
Well, maybe 120. I can't remember. Um, I don't think this big lift is sustainable, and I don't think when you came up this high that you're going to be able to pass the resistance. However, you said you bought at 95.
I sold at 95.
Sold at 95. The 200 moving average is chilling around 92, and it's not uncommon when you have a breakout above a 200 moving average to retest it and go higher. You could
Hmm.
save $3 a share, my friend.
I don't know. I feel like that's a lot of hopium even for me. If it
It's
gets
gonna
closer
happen.
to 100, I would be absolutely ecstatic. I mean, it is what it is. Like I have to reevaluate the numbers, and I plan to do that with the next quarterly earnings to kind of see where I think it's valued at this point. Um, but I still it was well under what I had it valued at before this, so I can't imagine this quarter's being so dramatically different that it would change my kind of thought
So
process.
it may not matter about the quarter, right? Because we just did a video on Bury, should already be up. Um, if you look at that and the economy takes a downturn and the stock market takes a downturn as a whole, if it does, not saying it will, but if it does, this will go, everything goes down with it, right? What's it saying? A tide sinks
Rising
all
tide raises all
boats.
boats, but yeah, I'm not sure if there's
Mm,
an opposite. It's kind of the same thing though.
Sure. Yeah, I guess that one. Whatever. Something about sinking boats. Um, it is very possible that it would at least be able to retest this 200 moving average, maybe go back down to here, which would get me very happy.
Yeah, you're gonna need a major catalyst for that.
Yeah, probably not a good catalyst, too. That'd be pretty bad. But
Yeah.
I would say probably don't invest now if you guys are going long on Baba. That's just my opinion. You
All right.
agree?
Interesting. Yeah, I might size into it honestly at this point. I might
Oh,
buy
for
a little
sure.
bit just so, and then kind of wait and see. That sort of attitude.
I
That's
think
my thought
you do
process.
all one buy order, $100.50. Don't size in. I'm just
Yeah,
kidding. That's a stupid idea. Size
perfect.
in.
I love it. All right, guys, we'll catch you in the next one.